Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to disable Take a Break reminder on YouTube app. Open YouTube app on your device. Log into your YouTube account if you are not already logged in. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the page. Now tap the gear icon at the top right corner of the page. In the settings page, tap on General Settings. As you can see, Take a Break reminder has been set for every 3 hours. To disable it, just toggle the button next to it. As you can see, Take a Break reminder is turned off. This is how you can disable Take a Break reminder on YouTube app. Thank you for watching.